Hello plant friends, today we got a little unboxing video for you. It's from JustinPlantsandReefs, one of our favorite sellers on Palm Street. He's also on Instagram. We already went ahead and took off the label and popped it open. He sent it with 2 heat packs for us. My wife and I each bought 1 plant, and I got a giveaway plant, but he combined our shipping for us. Here's the 3. You can see one of them is not like the others. It's a lot bigger. Alright, now I'm assuming this is probably the giveaway. There's Astrophyta mysterious. Yep, you can already see. Be careful unwrapping it. It's got kind of a nub, but that's okay. Make it easy. On to the next one. There's no way you can guess. I won't spoil it this time. This is the one that my wife bought, and then she won it, and when it came today she said, "Oh, that one's for you." Can you start to tell what it is at all? Somebody with a keen eye knows already now. It's Areocarpus fissuratus Godzilla. Yeah. Okay, what do you think this last one is? I'll probably have to go ahead and speed this up on the footage. How many? Is this like half a roll of toilet paper or what? Maybe I should do it in here so I don't damage the trampoline. Oh. I'll be a little more careful with it now. Still got a ways to go, but I don't want to damage it. Oof. Oh, there's a little pup. I think it's massive. Let's see, it's got a little bit of roots. I did it for these other 2. well, but I thought I would save this one so I could show you. Got this drywall tape. A big roll, it's not very expensive. It's sticky on one side. Really good for this little screen. A lot of times you buy a fancy pot and that's what they'll give you on the bottom. Here's some of the other plants I've gotten from JustinPlantsandReefs. If you're in the US, I encourage you to check him out. He's got a big variety of cacti and caudiciforms, and he puts a lot of love into his small business.